Hello champions, so KEA has put down the post second round seat allotment schedule, and this is not something that you should be missing. We should be looking onto it. So let's see. On 22nd September 2024, that is yesterday, the seat allotment was put down, second round seat allotment. Yeah. Now, exercise of choices by the candidates allotted seat in the second round. So now it's time for you to do your choice filling. Okay, you have 4 choices. Choice 1 is basically where you're accepting the seat, you're okay with the seat. Choice 2 is basically when you're accepting the seat but you still want to look for an upgradation. Okay, now in the next round, if you're getting a seat, it's all fine. If you're not getting a seat, then still you will be having this particular seat that you got in your second round. Now choice 3 is reject and upgrade, where you're rejecting the seat and you're looking for an upgradation. Okay, so in the next round, if you're not getting a seat, you won't be having a seat here. It's also because you have rejected the seat. Now choice 4 is basically quitting. You are quitting the whole process. You're not now into allotment. Okay, now choice filling window will be only active from 11 AM 23rd September 2024 and will go up to 11:59 PM 25th September 2024, that is day after tomorrow. So you do not have much amount of time. Make an informed choice. Now over here they have written something very important. Select the right choice out of the 4 choices. Before selecting any choice, understand the implications of each choices and then only go ahead. If you want to read the whole thing, what are the implications, we will put down the link over here. You can click and read the PDF really carefully before going ahead. Now suppose you are done, you have clicked on choice 1 or choice 2, then payment of fees has to be done by choice 1 or choice 2 candidates who have went for accept and upgrade. Now this will be active from 23rd September 2024 to 26th September 2024. Okay, going ahead, downloading of admission orders only by choice 1 candidates. So children who have obviously clicked on choice 1, that is who have accepted the whole thing, they have to download the admission order, and you can download it from the same period, that is 23rd September to 26th of September. It won't be, the window might be closed beyond that, so please download all the important things. Now last date for reporting to the college only by choice 1 candidates. So children who have went for accept, yeah, choice 1, basically you have to report to the college as well, you know, right? So you have to do it before 26th September 2024. 26th September 5:30 PM is the last day and time, so date and time, so do not go beyond that. After that there could be certain other implications. So I hope that this schedule is totally understood by you, and please, as I said, go give a read for all the choices and then only take the choice filling. Okay, then only go ahead with the choice filling. That's all. Please take care.